hanging up some shower curtains in a newly remodeled bathroom. We chose to go with this adjustable rod, adjustable to fit all standard bathtubs from 44 to 72 inches. No tools, no drilling, no damage. Fast, easy, twist-tight installation. Simply extend and twist. Holds up to 30 pounds and made in the US of A. See the link in the description for more details. The hook rings we chose are double hooks and stainless steel, making them rust resistant. The double hooks on each of the 12 gives the option to hang up a liner on the outside. The roller balls are designed to reduce snagging and allow for effortless gliding on the shower rod. Just go ahead and hang up each hook onto the rod. Now the curtain is a heavy-duty plastic fabric. It has heavy-duty magnets on the bottom corners to make sure the liner is connected to the tub, if the tub is metal, of course. Simply insert each grommet into the hooks. Don't worry about the creases from being folded, they will go away after a while. That's about it. I think they look great. Hope this gives you an idea how to simply install a shower rod and curtain, especially for a small apartment, ideal for college student apartments. See the description for some links. Feel free to comment for any suggestions. And you all have a great day.